Hello everybody, we're at 1000 Islands Toyota, and today we're looking at the 2021 Highlander Limited all-wheel drive. This comes with a 3.5 liter V6, produces 295 horsepower and 263 foot-pounds of torque. It also comes with 20-inch alloy wheels and a full suite of safety features. Here we are on the passenger side, and as you can see, we have a gorgeous interior here. We've got power seats both on the front for passenger and driver. We've also got a really nice blend of colors here. This one is called the Beige Harvest. It's got a nice mixture of brown, beige, and a couple of black accents there, which really stand out. Both the seats in the front are heated and ventilated as well. And there's actually a charging port right underneath here as well. So an absolutely beautiful cabin for front and back. So here on the Limited, we do have the power liftgate at the back. So in this configuration, we have 8-passenger, 3-row seating. As you can see, we've got the second row there that can be folded down as well. And then we've got our third row that's here that's currently folded down to provide extra space in the back. We also have the tonneau cover, which easily attaches to the clip in the back, help give a little more privacy for any personal belongings you may have. And we also do have the upgraded JBL sound system here in the back as well. And then with the simple touch of a button, the power liftgate closes again on its own. Alright, so here we're in the driver's seat. I'm just going to be going over some of the main features that the Highlander Limited offers. And if you guys have any other questions or concerns, you're more than welcome to direct them at any of the sales representatives at 1000 Islands Toyota. So we've got our 7-inch multi-information display here in the center, which can be accessed using the directional pad and the back button. I'm just going to quickly go through these menus. We've got our driving support. We've got our audio, our tire pressure monitor, all-wheel drive system, safety system status. We've also got our Toyota Safety Sense settings here, which can either be configured or just shut off completely, where our safety alerts, and then your digital speed and your fuel economy settings. Then we have our auto headlights, or our auto high beams, apologies, our heated steering wheel, and our power liftgate in the back as well. We also do have memory seats here for the driver's side, so if you share this with a spouse, a really nice feature to have. Then we do have the 8-inch infotainment touchscreen, so nice and responsive, very easy to use. And we also have the physical buttons on the sides, along with the tuning knobs. So a really nice blend of buttons there. And we do have the upgraded JBL sound system, as I stated earlier, which is really nice, offers a lot of good quality sound. And then we have our climate control systems. So a good array of buttons here, but they easily indicate what they're used for, what their purpose is, so it's not definitely not overwhelming. And then on the sides we have our heated seats and our ventilated seats for both the driver and passenger, which is really nice here to have. We've got some nice cubbies. We've got the USB charging ports, and then the one for our Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, or USB. And then we've got some cup holders, and then we have our wireless Qi charger tray that's in there, and then you can flip that right up and you get yourself a lot of nice extra space there as well. And then just last but not least, we do have some of the different drive modes that are available on this model as well. Have it, folks, there's the 2021 Highlander Limited all-wheel drive. This vehicle has just basically about everything that you could ask for on it, with a huge suite of safety features, a brand new redesign, and a very comfortable interior. There is not a doubt in my mind that someone with a larger family would absolutely benefit from having a vehicle like this. And if this is something that interests you guys, come on down to 1000 Islands Toyota and let us help you find the vehicle you're looking for.